If you want to clear browsing history on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all, you need to go to the browser, and in most browsers, you need to open some settings, some sort of. So in this case, in the case of the Chrome browser, we need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you should be able to press delete browsing data. In other cases, you might, like I said, go to settings instead in order to find a similar option. So in this case, we can go here to delete browsing data. We can choose the time range. And as you can see, we will be able to find information sites that will be removed and how many tabs will be removed and so on. But you can also go to more options in order to, for example, specifically choose the browsing history only. And we can adjust the time range as well. And then we can press delete data over here in the bottom right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!